everyone! So, today we will talk about SLA and FLA.
Have you ever wondered how did we learn to speak our language as a kid? Without ever studying grammar or taking language tests as a baby. And this is what we will learn today. It is about FLA and also SLA. Okay, first, FLA. FLA is the process where a child naturally acquires their mother tongue from birth. No textbook, no formal lessons. They simply get exposed to language around them, and their brain processes it automatically. And the opposite of it is SLA, or second language acquisition. And SLA is the process of learning an additional language after the first one is already established, and it can happen formally like in a classroom, or informally like watch foreign movie or living abroad. And the key difference of both is in FLA we can of language even without trying, or we can a language effortless. In SLA, we make a conscious effort to learn it. Do you get it, guys?
Now, let's talk about the differences between FLA and SLA. First, age. FLA usually happen when we are kids before around 12 and 13 years old. This is called the critical period because the brain learns language naturally. SLA can happen at any age, from kids to adults. Second, the process. In FLA, kids learn without realizing it, just by hearing people talk every day. In SLA, we learn by studying grammar, memorize vocab, and practicing. Plus, the old FLA learn usually sound more natural because they learn young. SLA learns may still have accent or patterns from their first language, and that's normal.
Okay guys, to make this clear, let's look at some examples. The first is a baby that born into a Japanese family hears Japanese every day. They naturally learn words and sentences without grammatically studying or using a books. This is the example of FLA, or first language acquisition. The second is we, as an English literature student, learn English from school, vocabulary, and grammar. We also learn from watching English movie and speaking with other people. This is the example of second language acquisition, or SLA.
Now, let's look at the key studies that support our understanding of FLA and SLA. First, Heffron and Arnon, 2021. Their study found that children and adults actually process language unit differently. Children are better at picking up larger chunks of language naturally, while adults tend to break language down into smaller pieces. And this explains why FLA in children feels so effortless compared to SLA in adults. Their brains are simply wired differently at each stage of life.
Second, the process. In FLA, kids learn without realizing it, just by hearing people talk every day. In SLA, we must learn by studying grammar, memorize vocab, and practicing.
Third, Suzuki and De Keyser, 2022. Their study found that successful SLA combines both implicit and explicit. Implicit learning through exposure and explicit learning through grammar instruction. Using both methods together leads to better language learning outcomes.
so, to wrap it up, FLA and SLA are two different paths of language, but both are equally powerful. In FLA, shape who we are from the very beginning, and SLA open up a whole new world beyond our mother tongue.
Thanks for watching.